Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start our page 9 and reading activity. On page number 9, we are done with Before You Read, Learn Facts. Today, we are going to start E part, Words in Context. Let us see their meanings. The first word is envelope. It means a flat paper container with a sealable flap. Championship. Championship. It means a contest for the position of champion in a sport or game. Athletes. Athletes. A person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise. Bands. Bands. Person playing different musical instruments. Now let's start reading. There is an audio attached. You can hear that audio as well. And after that, you're going to do the reading by yourself. This chapter is about having fun. There are different things that we do to have fun. In this chapter, you're going to read about festivals. There are different types of festivals that we celebrate. For example, in this book, we are talking about Children's Day. We play sports to have fun. For example, in this book, you're talking about soccer. There are family celebrations to have fun. For example, weddings. And then there are community events to have fun. For example, you guess? Yes, you're right. We celebrate different community events, for example, folk dances. Now what you have to do is, you have to write down creative sentences for words in context, E part on page 9 and read Unit 1. That's all for today.